Yes, I know you're nervous about selling your home because you're in fear that you won't be able to find your replacement home, right? Completely understandable. I'd be nervous too, especially in this crazy market with such limited inventory. But there are plenty of solutions to this situation, is what we're gonna call it, okay? I'm Diante Lawrence, your real estate go-to, and guys, my team and I have a number of solutions that we can put in place, strategies that we can implement to make sure that you're able to not only sell your home, but find your replacement home as well. One solution to finding that replacement home, or the fear of not being able to find that replacement home, is actually new construction, right? I personally have a number of relationships with builders around Central Florida, right? And it's vital to not only have an agent with you, right, to take you through the new construction process, which is another completely different video that we'll get into, but also an agent that has a relationship with the builder on the other end, okay guys? Now with new construction, guys, there's so many different ways we can strategize to take advantage of it, right? So for those of you guys who do not know, one way to take advantage of a new construction home, right, is if a home that is already being built, that buyer may fall out of escrow, whether it's financing, whether it's life situations, right? Luckily, with my relationship with my builders, right, they send emails out, they shoot me a text message, they give me a call and let me know, hey Diante, do you still have a buyer who is interested in this area? This property is coming back on the market. They may want to take a look at this and get this under contract, right? So that is one way that you can really have that confidence in regards to, hey, not only do I have a replacement home, but it's gonna be a brand new home because Diante is plugged in with a number of these local builders. Also, in regards to new construction, it does give us that time, right? So we don't have to feel crazy pressure, to not only sell our house, but find the next house or anything like that, because some builders, especially now in this market, is anywhere between a 7 to 10 month, right, build period, right? So we'll be able to put down our initial deposit, and many builders, we don't have to pay the rest until the end of the 10 months, right? So we're able to strategize, okay, let's potentially list our house 2 months before our new construction home is supposed to be finished. Right. Some people also will list their house and, hey, we'll stay with the family, or hey, we'll rent out our Airbnb. There's so many options in regards to knowing that we have that replacement home with our builders, right? That take that burden, that fear completely away. It's a solution that I really do like. I make sure I present to my people, so to get their wheels spinning, to kind of think outside the box. And guys, you already know, reach out to me with any questions. We'll sit down, hour and a half, no obligation, just to educate you guys on kind of the nuances and the advantages of actually being in our situation. Actually, even though it is low inventory, there are so many things that we can do to take advantage of that, okay guys? And as you guys know, I want you to always remember, okay, contact me first and foremost. You'll see that right here, my contact information right here, right? And remember, in real estate, there are only 2 people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you, all right?